Hi, I'm Lisa Jane, and I am the Healthy Relationship Specialist. I am very passionate about teaching new skills for relationship. We've moved through a very traumatic time on this planet, and a lot of people's connection with their partners has suffered as a result of the sorts of stresses that we've been under. And this includes financial pressure, which places so much strain on relationships. I'd like to suggest that there is a different way to be in relationship. And I call this co-creative relationship. When we flip out of our codependent behaviors, which generally are patterns, subconscious behaviors that we have used since childhood to get our emotional needs met, when we can move out of those, we can create really deep connection with the people that we're in relationship with. So the difference is, and let's imagine this, imagine that you and your partner are on the same page. Not only are you on the same page, but if something happens, if there's a challenge, both of you know that it's an opportunity for you to actually become closer and get to know each other a little bit better, to strengthen the bond that you share. So on the other side of that challenge, you both feel more emotionally intimate and more emotional safety. You feel like you're closer than what you were even before that challenge. That would be pretty special, hey? But you know what else it means? It means that when you're going through the challenge, you don't feel alone. You don't feel resentful at them because they're not there supporting you or they're not listening to you. And I don't know about you, but I have found myself in relationships where over time they become more of a habit and just a thing that's there rather than something that really makes your heart sing. It's not naive. It's not unrealistic. It's not looking to the greener grass in the other paddock, which is what we're told to stop us from actually being open to receiving the relationship that we deserve. All of the sayings that you've heard people use, like it's normal to be in a relationship where you fight and you have arguments, and I disagree with that. That's only because you don't know how to speak what you're feeling and what you need in a way that's healthy and creates connection. For most people, they end up in conflict, not because they want to, but because we don't actually have the skills to use what's happening to build connection. So all those little things that we're told really encourage us to settle for second best, not to reach out and receive and wait for what we deserve. Knowing that by doing my work and by putting myself in the right place, I'm going to attract my right partner. All of those things are so important because this is not a pipe dream. Yes, we have to have skills. Yes, we have to learn new ways of communicating to create a co-creative relationship. But the benefit is massive. The benefit is massive for you because you feel so much better in your life. It helps with anxiety, worry, concern, self-esteem, self-confidence, self-assurance, ease. You feel calmer. Like there are so many things that switching up this way that we're in relationships, even with ourselves, that's what it creates in our lives. It is so empowering. So I would love you to consider that there may be a different way of being in a relationship that you haven't been exposed to yet. A lot of my clients say, why didn't anyone ever teach me this? I didn't even know there was a different way to be in a relationship. And I have to say that's exactly what I felt when I discovered that there was a completely different way to be in a relationship that is harmonious, creates more peace and more love over time. I'd love to invite you to join me on the journey. Follow me on Instagram, work with me, come to a live event, whatever you feel works for you. Because really, the more of us that are in conscious, connected, deeply loving relationships, the better it's going to be for this world. Sending you love.